Hi Koalas class, it's Miss Angela here. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today I thought that we could make an instrument together. And all you really need is a couple items. So what I have here is a toilet paper roll, just a little bit of some rice. You could use really anything, small beans, jelly beans, whatever you've got that you can make a little noise with. I'm using tape, but you could also use rubber bands or duct tape. I have a little parchment paper here, and you could substitute this with just regular construction paper or tin foil, anything. And then I also have my markers. So we're gonna make a rain stick or a little shaker. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna color the paper towel or toilet paper roll, decorate it a little bit, and then I'm gonna cover one side, fill it up, and then I'll cover the other side, and then I'll play it for you. So I'm gonna just make a little design on my paper towel roll, toilet paper roll, whatever. If you have a bigger one, that's cool too. I'm gonna draw a big sun because I am praying for some sunny and warmer weather, so at least we can sit outside a bit instead of being in the house the whole time. I have a little backyard that I like to bring my dog out and just sit with me. So I really enjoy doing that if the weather's nice, but it's been a little too cold. So I'm just drawing a little flower now, and I'm just decorating it, but you can do whatever you want. You can just draw your name or just draw with your favorite colors on your thing. So I'm just gonna make some lines and color it up. And this is just a really simple project with some household items that seems like it could be fun for you guys to do at home if you need a little bit more activity. All right, so I'm gonna finish coloring. That's it. I've got my sun, I've got my flower and my favorite colors, some purple. So now I'm just gonna take my parchment paper and I'm just gonna rip it into like a square, and then I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna cover it and try and just fold it over a bit, and then I'm gonna get my tape and I'm gonna tape it on. One side taped. Maybe duct tape would work a little better, or like a thicker tape, but this is all I have, so working with what we got. A little more tape on this side. Put one more piece. And then we're gonna fill it up. All right. There we go. So we've got our one side is covered, and I'm going to fill the other side now with my rice that I have here. Just a little bit, doesn't have to be too much. This is just some dry rice. And I'm actually not even gonna put all of it in. I'm gonna take my rest of my parchment paper, and I'm going to cover the other side. And get some more tape. And tape this on. And tape this side. All right. Maybe just one more piece and then we can shake it. There we go. Okay, ready? Awesome. And if you listen real close and you do it really slow, it will sound just a little like rain outside. And that's it. That's our little rain stick shaker. I hope you guys had fun watching. I had fun making this for you guys. So enjoy, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.